Hey guys, it's Frosted. So today I'll just show you how to draw like a circle in Minecraft MCP. So that's the English version of this video. Actually I'm speaking French in real life, if I can say this like that. But yeah, let's go. So you just want to create a new class if you want to have something organized. So I'll just call it like Jury Drawing. I don't know. You can put whatever name you want right here. So first of all, you want to create your method. Yeah, I'll just do it like that. So I'm just gonna call it draw regular polygon. Polygon. I don't know how to say that. So the first thing that you want to do, let's put a double for the X position. I'll just go like this. Put another double for the position, the Y position. Then put an int for the radius and an int for the number of size that you want, because as I'm saying, we're going to do some whatever polygons that you want, included circles. And then let's go to the color and let's do the radiance. Okay. Oops. Okay. So first of all, I like to begin. I always use GLT Manager and push the matrix, and then let's enable the blend. Actually, it's not really useful. Yeah, no, that's not useful. I'm just gonna remove this one. So then you wanna create the tessellator. You wanna instance it. Not creating it, but yeah. So tessellator equals tessellator get instance. And then you want a walled renderer like that, and this equals tessellator dot get walled renderer. Okay. So now what we want to do, it's walled renderer dot begin, and we will begin with gl 11.gl line loop. Okay. And then, oh, actually no, I'm gonna show you how to make a full one. I don't know, it's like filled circle. So let's go with the triangle fan. And then we want the default vertex formats, and it's gonna be position. Okay. So then we can begin with the colors. Yeah, I'll set a color. So let's do this. So we want to float. So I will call it F1. That's pretty simple. So this equals, let's guess float to this. Let's put the color. I don't really know, right? I would say those things in English, but as you can see, you can just copy what I'm saying right now, what I'm doing actually, because I'm not saying it. And what did I miss? Oh, okay, and that should be good. Okay, so next float, it's gonna be F2, and this is gonna be actually color again. Now we're gonna go with 16 and 255 divided always by 255.0 f. I'm not obligated to do this, but okay, we're just gonna do it like that. And float F3 equals float color, oops, and we want to go with 8 and 255 divided by 255, and then the last one, float F4, and it's gonna be color, and only 255 because that's the alpha value. So divided by 255 too. Okay, so that's cool. So now let's put GL state manager, and now let's go with the what? Okay. So now let's go with F2. We'll go with F3. We'll go with F. I don't want to miss myself right now. That will be pretty annoying. Wait, I need to check. So right here it's red F3. I believe it's gonna be F4. Oops. And F3. Yeah, that's should be it, I believe. I'm just refining right now. Oh no. Why did I put F here? F1. Okay, yeah. It should be good to go. So yeah, we can begin. We'll remember pause X, Y, 0, and end the vertex. Okay. Oh, I'm naming them pause. Sorry, my bad. Then we're just gonna make a for int I yeah, I don't know. I'm stupid. Equals 0. I is smaller or equals to the amount of sides, and then we're just gonna go with I plus, I don't know. So now we're gonna do double angle, double, which we will call it angle, yeah. So that will equals it's gonna be math. Let's open another. Okay, math.pi multiplied by 2. Yeah, like this. Then we're going to multiply it by I, and then we're just going to be divided by sides, the amount of sides. Then we're going to do plus math dot, and this is 2 radians, and we're just going to put radians over here. Okay. So now we have our angle. That's a big calculation. It's not that big, but yeah. So then we're gonna set another position, which will be the x plus math sinus. I believe it's how we say that. With angle as a value. I always forgot. Okay. Sinus as a value and multiplied by the radius. Right like that. So then it's gonna be POSY plus math, and this time it's gonna be the cosinus. I believe it's how we say this in English. Actually, I'm not that sure. And it's going to be multiplied by the radius, and then it's going to be 0 in the next one, and we're just going to end the vertex here. So yeah, let's go for this. So then we're just going to take the tessellator and draw that, and then we're going to put gel state manager dot top matrix. Yeah. So we should be good to go with this. Yeah, we should be good. So now, if you want to test, I'm just gonna show you how it works. So if you go in GUI menu, and yeah, just go with the function draw screen or wherever you want to draw it. So I'm just gonna draw it in the main menu, so that would be simple as that. So I'm just gonna draw it right there. So GUI drawing. I'm just gonna call it drawing equals new GUI drawing. Oops. So then we just want to take that and draw a regular polygon. So this dot width divided by 2. I'm just gonna make that simple. This dot 8 divided by 2. The radius, it's gonna be like a 20 radius if we want to. The number of sides, we're gonna begin by circle. The color, let's put a new color, which will be, let's go with red, because I don't know. RGB, and then the radians, let's just put 180 for now, and I'm just going to explain you after what it does. So now, what did I've done? Okay, so now let's just launch the game. I'm going to launch it in debug mode, just for you to see what it does, so I'm just going to skip that. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now as you can see, we have a perfect circle right here. It's not that perfect, as you can see, but you know, that's just Minecraft drawing system. So we cannot do better than that. I believe it's Java too, I don't know. But I cannot do better than that because, yeah, that's it. I believe that I cannot. I don't know if any of you guys know how to deal with that, I would appreciate it. So now I'm just gonna show you the radius. That's actually that simple. So if I increase it by 30, look at that. Oh, I don't know why it just turned out black. Oh, it's because of the text right here. I hope that's it, but yeah, we'll just see. So that was the radius. The number of sides. So if I put 4 in here, like Bill. Oh no, that didn't fix it. I don't know. I'm just gonna go check that after. But yeah, as you can see now, we have a square, a kind of square. That's, you know, is at 180 degrees. So if you want to change that, you can put it at 90 degrees. I save that. As you can see, we'll just rotate, and nope, it didn't even rotate. That's kind of embarrassing right there. I just need to check something real quick. Oh yeah, okay, I know why. So the radians, the custom radians right here won't work because we're actually dealing with GL triangle fan. And don't ask me why, but I believe it won't work because of that. As I say, I don't know why, but with GL line loop, it works. Yeah, that's weird, really weird. But yeah, I don't know. So, the color, as you can see, you can put whatever you want. And right here, you can do like a 5-side polygon if you want to. As you can see, we have a 5-side. I actually really don't know why this radiance won't work. It's weird. This is not supposed to be like that. Actually not. Okay, now it's working. Okay, I don't know. I don't know what's happening. I was wondering too. I was like, I just tested that earlier. So yeah, as you can see, the reasons were just rotate your polygon. So we can do circles, we can do triangles too. Yeah, if you want triangles. Whatever, you can do whatever you want with that. You can do whatever you want, actually. So that was pretty much it. I believe that I need to cover. Yeah, that was pretty much it. I just don't know why the color will do that. Actually, that's weird. I probably need to. Actually, no, that's weird if I need to do that. I push the matrix, I flip it, and then I put. It's probably my colors, isn't it? So first one is F2. And it's gonna be F1, I believe. No, it's F3. No, that's actually good. I don't know. That's weird. Oh, I just found it. Okay. So you need to do that. I'm just dumb. That's it. So now if I show you it, now it's probably I'll probably need just restart the game for it to work. There we go. So yeah, that fixed it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. That's a really short video just to show you how to draw this, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one.